All right. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of grammar. I'm sorry, that's my dog. And then we're going to do a little bit of synthesis and transformation. And then we're going to focus a little bit on oral. All right. All right. Let's very quickly move on. All right. So what's going to happen is that today our objective is to self-evaluate our oral skills. But before that, let's focus on grammar MCQs. So just five quick questions, but your target is to make sure that you get all five correct. All right, very, very quickly, can I get you guys to put in the chat box function? What do you think the answer is? It's pretty easy. Chat button. Only one person responded. Ihang has responded. Tanmay, why not responding, darling? Perfect. So the answer is if you sit in front of the, if you sit in the front row, you don't have to worry about hearing them clearly. Yes, very good. So if is a conditional, all right? If you sit. So if this doesn't happen, then this cannot happen. All right, let's go to number 2. Dash mom was preparing the breakfast, dad was reading the newspapers. Super easy. Your target is to get all correct. Well done, Tanmi. Well done, Ihang. So while mom was preparing, dad was reading. So this is happening simultaneously. Well done, 2 correct. Let's go on 3 more. I want all of y'all to get it right. Mrs. Chang looks stern, dash is quite friendly. Mrs. Chang looks stern. Super duper easy. Cannot get all this wrong. Very good. Mrs. Wait. Mrs. Chang looks stern. However, she's quite friendly. Yes, I agree. However, ooh. Mrs. Chan looks stern, however, she's quite friendly. Actually, both answers are acceptable, however or but. Mrs. Chang looks stern, but she's quite friendly. Mrs. Chang looks stern, however, she's quite friendly. So B or C, so both of y'all have gotten it right. All right, well done. 3 for 3, all 3 got correct. 2 of y'all got all 3 correct. Let's do 2 more. Dash you enter the house, please leave your shoes outside. All right, before you enter the house, please, well done. Both of y'all got all 4 correct. If you get this correct, all 5, let's get full marks. Number 5, Danielle is quite reserved, quiet and reserved. Dash, her sister, is quite shy. Ihang has given me. Sorry, Tame, what did you give? Yes. So quiet and reserved has the same meaning as quiet and shy. All right. No, quite shy. This is quiet. This is quite. The spelling looks like quite similar, right? So the answer is Daniel is quiet and reserved. Similarly, the answer is A, and both of y'all got it right. Well done on your grammar. We're going to move on to synthesis and transformation. For this, I need you guys to actually type out the essay thing. So let's do the first one. All of us are united by the love for our country. Uniting, blah, 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 for our country. Try it and type up the answers in the chat. Not an easy one, is it? Uniting dash 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 for our country. Type it out. Ihang, you put the preposition wrong. It's not by. You're supposed to use something else, and it's not even supposed to be a preposition. Ihang, try again. You got it wrong. Tanmay, waiting for you. Oh, crap. It's not. Tanmay also got it wrong. It's not for, it's not by. Try it again. All right, shall I help you with this one? Uniting. Hang on. Uniting all of us, not for, not by, with, no, uniting all of us with the love for, uniting all of us is the love for our country. So the one that you guys are missing is the word, hang on, let me see if I can get a highlighter. Uniting all of us is the love. All of us are united. So uniting all of us is the love. So the I here is changed to is. So uniting all of us is the love for our country. Got it? Not uniting all of us with the love. Not uniting all of us for the love or by the love. All right, so you got the first one wrong. Never mind. Let's try the next one. All right. Mary asked John if he had taken her book. Dash, 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 Mary asked John. So active to passive. So this is an example of active to passive. What's wrong with my pen? Mary asked John if he had taken a book. Okay, let's see. Wrong as well. Tanmay, wrong. Had taken a book. Look at the focus. The focus is the word had. Tanmay, yours would be Mary asked John if he did take her book. Then yours will be correct. Ihang, try this. Thank you. Both of you got it right. The answer is supposed to be, have you taken my book? Question mark, okay? Question mark is already there. Because the had here is changed into from past tense to present tense. So the had, which was in past tense, is now changed to present tense. So just now, Tanmay said, did you take my book? That will be, Mary asked if John did take her book. That's how it's going to be. All right, not bad. Both of you all, let's try the number 3. Sorry, number 8. Mrs. Tan does not have an iron. Mrs. Tan does not have an air conditioner. So this is neither. No. Try it. It's a neither nor question. Tanmay, one, yeah, correct. You corrected it. Correct. Tanmay is correct. You made one mistake. Tanmay is correct. Ihang, try it. So when you're looking at a neither nor question, how would you then be able to address this? Tanmay, you're correct. Perfect. Both of you all got it right. So the answer is, hang on, let me write it. Mrs. Tan has neither, Mrs. Tan has neither an iron nor an air conditioner. Got it? Understand? Super easy, yeah? Right, let's try the next one. Not bad, you got this correct. The chants are not friendly, the chants are not helpful either, or same as neither nor. So pretty easy. Yes, Tanvi, you may go. You may be excused for a minute. When you come back to this question. Perfect, Ihang. Let's just wait for Tanmay when she's back and see if she can get it as well. I'll help with the first one. She's gone to the toilet, so I'll just give her a minute, yeah? So did you go anywhere for your holidays, Ihang?
Yes.
Where did you go?
I just came back from Penang.
Came back from?
Penang from Malaysia.
Oh, Penang. Oh, the food must be so beautiful, right?
But we didn't get to eat a lot because I'm a vegetarian and there was like a limit to what I could eat.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. But did you have a good time in Penang? Where did you visit?
Yes, I did. I visited the snake temple.
Ooh, is that scary?
It was kind of scary because there was like two snakes that you could take picture with. So
Oh,
the snakes were like very enormous. So
oh,
when the person handed me over the snake kept crawling over me and like wanted
oh.
to go to my face.
Did you have a picture? Can I see it?
Oh yes, I'll go get there. Thank you.
Okay, wait. We will wait for Tanmay to be back, and then you can show it to us. Tanmay